Here's the Tarabot Blambobot Deluxe. My objective in building this robot was to combine the functions of obstacle avoidance, some bump sensors as you can see here, edge detection, and along with that also remote control. As you can see here, I've developed a remote control console and processing. Alright, so here you can see me using the basic keys on the keyboard to control the blambobot Deluxe. As you can see, when I press either key, I have my control interface which lights up different colors, and also the blambobot moves. I'm not going to want to have my robot tethered to the computer using this cord all the time, so what I've employed are these NRF24LO1 wireless receiver and also transceiver, depending on how you program them, but there's one on the robot, one to a control module attached to the computer, which transmits a letter character, which the robot then interprets as a type of movement. Now time to get into some of the autonomous modes that exist within the robot. So right here, I'm going to first drive the robot up to the bottle, or just rather aim it. But whenever I'm ready to unleash its automatic autopilot function, I can go ahead and do so by clicking the button up here. You'll see that the robot drives towards an object. Ultrasonic sensor at the front should detect something soon. Detects an object, checks two directions, does a calculation, and hopefully makes a decision pretty soon as to which direction to go. There you go. Obstacle avoidance, and then turn it off, click the button, and then take it back into my control. There you have it. At the front of the robot I have these whisker functions. I'm going to go ahead and click the button to begin the whisker mode. Then walk up to my robot and hit one of the whisker bumpers. And there are some sounds that I've programmed into it. There you go. So when it bumps into something, hopefully change direction, and then when I click the button once again, take the guy back into my control. There he is, driving out into oblivion. Now I'm about to click the light function to get the robot to follow light. Go to the brightest location, take my iPhone and shine some light over it. Here is the iPhone right here, and I'm controlling it with light, as you can see. So I have a few combined autonomous functions: Whisker lights, which is a combination of whiskers and lights, but then there's day seeker and night seeker. Day seeker follows light, night seeker avoids light, but with both these functions right here, it is combined with autopilot. So let's go ahead and click day seeker. Holds on. So you can see he's following light. There he goes. But then gradually the autopilot should kick in. There it goes. So now here we have the cliffhanger mode, edge detection. This one always makes me a little nervous. So I'm going to click the button and then hustle over to make sure that I spot this robot in case it crashes. There it goes. Please don't crash. And he's doing alright so far. Oh. We go for the cliffhanger attempt 2. Gonna click this thing and hope it doesn't crash. There it goes. Looking good so far. Okay, I'm going to turn it off before it's too late. Take it back into my control. Whew. Close one. So what's coming up is very much an experiment. I have a Gatorade bottle in the middle of the table, the Tarobot Blambobot Deluxe, and a light source right here. I'm going to be clicking the ultimate function, which is everything, and let's see what happens. Hopefully it's a good experience. It's looking good. Whew. Better stop this before it's too late. Into the light source. Did it. So there you have it, the Tarobot Blambobot Deluxe with 8 full functions of autonomous control, 1 of remote control by arrows. There it is, and the one last thing I haven't shown you is that when this thing boots up, plays a little jam. I'll do it again. And that's it. There it goes.